You might want to see a list of your reposts on TikTok so far. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your reposts on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's just go ahead and open up our TikTok app right over here. And first off, I want to reveal to you that TikTok still doesn't give the feature of showing your reposts on a list, but I can show you a trick or an advice you can do to keep track of the TikTok videos that you repost on TikTok. So for example, I repost this certain video I see on my For You page. So to repost this, I'm just going to click on this arrow icon right over here and click on the repost option. Like that. So by reposting, you can introduce videos you find interesting to other people, and people you may know will be able to see that you reposted a video. So you can just click on repost if you want that. So it will show you reposted over here. And when we click on the comment section, you can also undo the repost by pressing and hold on your the comment that shows up right here, or the indicator that you reposted this video. So you can just press and hold on that and click on remove repost if you want to do so. So in the future, if you want to keep track of the videos that you repost, you can just click on this bookmark icon right over here, and that should be added to your favorites. You can go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right and see the TikTok videos that you bookmarked through this icon right here. So tap on it, and the video that you just bookmarked or reposted should show up right over here so that you can keep track of it if you like. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.